What do you mean by a yield curve? And what are the four important types of the yield curve? First, a yield curve is a graphical presentation of the YTM over the different maturities. So on one axis, you'll have the yield to maturity, and on the other axis, you'll have the maturity. Now, usually, the longer maturities will have a higher interest rate, whereas the shorter maturities will have a lower interest rate. So the yield curve which is going up is called as a normal yield curve. However, if the longer maturities have a lower rate and the shorter maturities have a higher rate, there is an unusual situation which is called as an inverted yield curve. This may be if people are expecting the rates in the future to fall because maybe there is an impending recession and the central bank wants to lift up the economy. Third, the rates of interest across maturities might be the same, in which case that is called as a flat yield curve. And lastly, if the interest rates irregularly change, they may increase, decrease, that is called as an irregular curve. So these are the four important types of the yield curve.